Welcome everybody. My name is Mauro Solano. I'm again talking about an important topic that is about the Schwann cells. The Schwann cells are the principal glia of the peripheral nervous system. The glial cell's function is to support the neurons of the nervous peripheral system. Also includes the olfactory system, the enteric glia, and the glia that resides at the sensory endings of peripheral nerves, such as transition corpuscles that are very important in the sensibility or in the sense of the things that are around us in our environment. There are two types of Schwann cells, myelination and non-myelinating cells. Myelinating Schwann cells wrap around axons of motor and sensory neurons to form myelin shell. So, here, you can see here the story. We can see here the structure in a microscopical feature, as we can see the Schwann cell. Okay. Also, in this video, we can see the structure of a neuron and the Schwann cells that are in the body of the neuron. So it confirms the structure and it passes around the information of the central system from one part of the neuron to another part of the neuron. The conduction is a jumping conduction, and that is very important because in these nodes that are ambient nodes, it's important because the nerve impulse goes like that. So that's very useful to know. Another, the function of the Schwann cells is to support. It protects the brain from the trauma. It protects the brain from protects the nerves also for different topics or different kind of damage that you can see around the environment that involved to us or the other activities that we submit every day. Details about Schwann cells. The Schwann cells are involved in many important aspects of peripheral nerve biology. The conduction of those impulses along the axons, nerve development and regeneration, traffic support for neurons, production of the nerve's extracellular matrix, modulation of neuromuscular synaptic activity because it has the substances that are secreted for the muscle function and the presentation of the antigens of T lymphocytes, Charcot-Marie-Tooth or articulation, Guillain-Barré syndrome or Guillain-Barré disease, schwannomatosis, and chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy. So here we can see in this video that is from University of Toledo, Ohio. We have seen some pathology that is the schwannoma. The schwannoma is a tumor that can grow in the peripheral nervous system, and it can grow in the brain. As it can grow in the brain, in the dual tempting, it forms a tumor, a big mass that contains another structures of brain and can cause another symptoms that are associated with neurological disease. So here we can see through a section of that tumor. Also, we can see that the stimulation is done above and below the tumor because it has taken out all that mass. Also, we can see here how they open the structures of the head and also how they take out the little pieces of the tumor, of that cancerous mass. So, finally, we can see how they close the bone and also how they close the brain for that risky surgery. Okay. Also, we can see in this video, that is explain about more information about schwannomas. As I told you before, the schwannomas do not only grow in the central system, but also they grow in the peripheral system. So, as you can see here, there is like a big schwannoma that is like here, and they are opening to extract all the things that contain that schwannoma. Okay, we can see here how the cerebral fluid and blood is taken out and is resected. Also, you can see here this big mass that is softy, that as you can see it's very light, that mass, and it's vasculated. So that means that it's good because the tumors that are vasculated are in good prognosis. Okay? Also here we can see the histology of the Schawnn cells that I told you before, and also in this video we can see the vestibular schwannoma. So in the past two videos we saw the lumbar schwannoma and the cranial schwannoma. So here we're going to see a peripheral schwannoma that is the vestibular. So here we can see in this graphic all the structures that compounds the vestibular system. The vestibular system is very important because of the maintenance of posture in the body. It contributes with some fibers to the cerebellum, and it is very good for that function. So here you can see that mass, that white mass that is there, and they are trying to take it out. Okay, here, so you can see how they open the meninges, and so they take out that way. Okay. So that's all my presentation of today. Have a nice day. Enjoy our video. Thank you very much.